अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये मेरा प्रोफेशनल चैनल है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। मैंने पहले ना 9 चैप्टर की वीडियो अपलोड की हुई थी, तो मेरे पास स्लाइड बनी हुई अवेलेबल नहीं थी, तो फिर मैंने अब बनाई है। तो फिर मैंने सोचा आप लोगों को 10 चैप्टर का भी बता दूं। उसमें हम लोगों ने 10 चैप्टर में है जनरल प्राइसिंग अप्रोचेज़। First है a setting pricing policy. Pricing policy setting start with setting the pricing objective that can be profit oriented, sales oriented, and and cost set the lower limit of price, the market and demand set the upper limit. फिर आगे है हमारा जनरल प्राइसिंग अप्रोचेस. The company charges will be somewhere between one that is too low to produce a profit and one that is too high to produce any demand. Figure summarizes the major consideration in setting price. Product cost set a floor to the price. Consumer perception of the product value set the selling. The company must consider competitor prices and other external and internal factors to find the best price. Between these two extremes, companies set prices by selecting and a general. आगे है ए है cost based pricing. 3/4 cost plus pricing. The simplest pricing method is cost plus pricing, adding a standard markup to the cost of product. Construction companies, for example, submit job by estimating the total project cost and adding a standard markup for profit. Lloyd accountants and other professionals typically price by adding a standard markup to their cost. Some sellers tell their customer they will charge cost plus a specified markup. For example, companies price this way to the government. आगे इसका ये फॉर्मूला आप लोग देख सकते हैं. आगे है a company using value based pricing must find out what value buyer assign to different competitive offers. However, measuring perceived value could be difficult. Sometimes consumers are asked how much they would pay for a basic product and for each benefit added to the offer, or a company might conduct experiment to test the perceived value of different product offer. If the seller charges more than the buyer perceived value, the company sales will suffer. आगे है competition based pricing. Consumer will base their judgment of a product value on the prices that a competitor charges for similar product. One form of competition based pricing is going rate pricing, in which a firm bases its price largely on competitor prices with less attention paid to its own cost or to demand. The firm might charge the same, more or less than its major competitor. In industries that sell a commodity such as steel, paper or fertilizer, smaller firms normally charge the same price. ठीक है. आ गया कंपटीशन बेस्ड प्राइसिंग. ये भी कंपटीशन था बेस्ड प्राइसिंग, और ये भी आगे हम लोग देख सकते हैं. प्रोडक्ट मिक्स प्राइसिंग. द फॉर सेटिंग अ प्रोडक्ट प्राइस ऑफ्टन has to be changed when the product is part of a product mix. In this case, the firm looks of a set of prices that maximizes the profit on the total product mix. Pricing is difficult because the various products have related demand and cost and face different degrees of competition. We now take a closer look at the 5 product mix pricing situation. आगे है प्रोडक्ट बंडल प्राइसिंग और अ सेटिंग प्राइसिंग पॉलिसी. प्रोडक्ट प्राइसिंग हम लोग देख सकते हैं क्या है. यूजिंग प्रोडक्ट बंडल प्राइसिंग, सेलर ऑफ्टन कंबाइन सेवरल ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट एंड ऑफर द बंडल एट अ रिड्यूस्ड प्राइस and supporters teams that season tickets and less than the cost of single ticket hotels as specially priced packages that include room and entertainment computer maker include attractive आ गया setting pricing policy setting start with setting the pricing objective that can be profit oriented sales oriented increase and status cost set the lower limit of prices the market and demand set the upper limit ये हम आज का हमारा टॉपिक था आप लोग देख सकते हैं ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़ ये तो मेरी 10 चैप्टर की हो 10 कंप्लीट हो गई 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਈ